Hello my friends, welcome. Welcome in this video in which I will show you how to change a female plug. I'm sorry for two things today. First of all, I'm a little bit dirty because I just cut some recovery boards and there's a little bit of noise at my neighbors. We'll be making this fix on this very famous extension. Famous because that's the extension on which I've shown you how to repair an extension cut by the mown lawyer. And for me it's a big sacrifice because this plug is very nice. It has a little light inside showing that there is power on the other side. Indeed, as you can see in these pictures, having a bad contact between the socket and the plug of the machine is really not convenient. You can see here that I have to hold the socket and the plug with my right hand, which in the end leaves me only one operational hand, which should be avoided unless you have three hands. So to start with, why is it called a female outlet? The reason is very simple. I won't make more explanations, but the female outlet enables to plug in the male outlet. So this here is for exterior, so this is quite a solid one. You find lighter ones such as these ones, and for lamps it's even another one. So to start with, we are opening the outlet and we'll be liberating to access the connectors. So now comes the very emotional moment in which I will be cutting the outlet on this side. And this here goes to the bin. So now we're going to strip the wire and we're checking the length of the stripping. So here, this here should be fine. I've already shown you how to strip wires. In case you don't have these tools, there are other solutions. Okay, so now before putting the connections, we are making sure that the wire is inside the outlet. So we're making sure that everything is well aligned. So now let's have a closer look. So we see here that there's a N. It means we're putting the blue wire into this N. And then there's the L. This is for the power, meaning here the brown one. And then on the other side there is the earth connection. It's very straightforward because it's connected to this little piece. We all know it's the earth. Now we are opening these screws for putting here the cable. Could have stripped finally at the end once it's placed, because now it's a little bit complicated. Now the blue one is on the other side. so we don't need this length I'm cutting here. So now I'm opening the screw for the earth. Now we can close it. And it's fastened rather solidly. Now we're making the other. I'm taking another screw because the original one somehow went lost. So now I'm taking a bit of margin for accessing So the best is that you don't see the copper at all. But at the same moment here, this is a waterproof plug. And now the last one. This is the neutral. A bit too long. So now let's hope that this long screw here will not impede us to place it well into the socket. So now I can close the fixing of the cable. And honestly, you can go ahead. So here you see that there's a little hole. This is for the screw, which is here. So when we're gliding the outside part towards the inside part, just make sure that the hole is on the right side for closing the screw. Close this one. I'm not in. Normally it should be aligned now. So now I'm going to test it. So I'm plugging the cable. Now I'm making a very simple radio test. Success.
Visitez votre futur chez vous le dimanche 18 mai pendant la journée découverte de Matexi. Plus d'infos sur matexi.de.
Non, pas success.
Matexi, bienvenue dans votre quartier. Ce SOS, c'est celui d'enfants maltraités, oubliés.
So it's probably related to the length of the screw. So I'm taking a screw from another plug. This one is a bit shorter. Don't lose your screws. Okay, now we have it. I'm doing the test again.
Ce SOS, c'est celui d'enfants maltraités, oubliés, en danger.
That's it, my friends. This is the end of the video. When you're opening the inside, make sure that you're not losing the screws, because here the screws were not inside the place for holding them. As we're talking about extensions, let me tell you that I have a very useful video for you showing you how to mow the lawn without issues with the cable. This is much better for your comfort and your security. And for ending, I have to show you this wonderful bell. This is a bell that I will now install at my neighbor's place for thanking her that she helped me for putting all the things on the roof of the car. Don't hesitate to watch my video about how to move with your personal car. So see you in a second on Happy Hour TV 1.